Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving this is your device and gathering essentials. The Microsoft account email or local account name, proof of purchase if available, and another internet-connected device. Once done, make sure you know whether the locked account is a Microsoft Online account or a local Windows 10 account because the recovery paths differ. If it's Microsoft, you'll use online recovery. If it's local, you'll need a password reset disk or reinstall options. This saves wasted steps and keeps the process legitimate. Next, follow approved recovery tools. For a Microsoft account, go to the account recovery page and follow the verification prompts with your alternate email or phone. This resets your sign and password safely. For a local account, use a previously created password, reset USB, or follow Windows recovery drive options to restore a system image. Once done, make sure to back up important files. If you can't complete these steps, pause and gather documentation, because escalating is safer than guessing passwords. Finally, sign in with your restored credentials and check system integrity. Install updates and create a new password reset disk, or enable Windows Hello for easier recovery next time. If recovery tools fail or you lack proof of ownership, contact Microsoft support or an authorized service provider. Don't attempt hacks that could corrupt data or break the law. One key troubleshooting tip: if BitLocker or drive encryption is active, make sure you have the recovery key before proceeding, or data may become permanently inaccessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.